What's up YouTube and welcome back to AV Moto. Right here I got a Coleman BT200 mini bike frame with a Predator 212 in it. The owner said it needed a carb clean and it should run. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick restoration. So instead of cleaning the carb, I'm going to put a new carb on it and throw a couple other things on it. It could use a cleaning and some paint, but in today's video I'm just going to be getting it up and running. Here we got the carb. I don't even got the top of the air box, but I got a brand new carb for it that I'm going to put on. As you can see, the throttle done, so I got a new throttle, some new grips. The motor has good compression. He said it got spark, so what I'm gonna do, instead of checking for spark, I'm just gonna hit it with some starter fluid, and if it fire up, then that means we good. We got starter fluid, let's see. He said it just need a carb clean, so if we need a carb clean, the starter fluid should start it right up. So, let's see what it do. As y'all can see, it already kind of run, but I can see that it do need a carb clean. I ain't gonna lie, that seat look nice. I probably should clean it and paint it, but this video was just a quick restoration to get it running. Alright guys, my phone died so I couldn't finish recording the rest of the video. But here's the finished product. Got the brand new seat on there, black and red with white. Got the brand new carb on there with the air filter. By the way, this is an aftermarket carb, this is a VM22. Got the new throttle, butter. Got the brand new clutch on there. It already had a chain, I just had to get a jack shaft chain. So I got a brand new clutch and a brand new jack shaft chain. Just put some gas in it. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for y'all real quick.